Kajal Galhotra, and in this video we will be talking about a problem statement by the name called twosome. Okay, so if you will read the problem statement, it says you are given with an array and you have an integer which is the target. You have to return the indices of two numbers such that they add up to the target. For example, you have 2, 7, 11 and 15, and you have to create target sum of 9. Now you have to return the indices. So 2 is present onto index number 0 and 7 is present onto index number 1. 2 and 7 will make a sum of 9. So output here is 0, 1. Okay. Similarly, in the second example, you have 3, 2, 4 and you have to create a target of 6. So 2 and 4 are present onto 1 and second index. So you are returning 1 and 2. You can assume that each input would have exactly one solution. You may not use the same element twice. So that is the problem statement. It looks like that you have to solve this problem statement with 2 pointer, right? It is looking like that you can solve it via 2 pointer approach, right? You need to return indices of the two numbers which are adding to something, right? And the given array is not sorted. So if it is not sorted, you will try to sort it. If you will try to sort it, your indices will be lost, right? For example, if in this example you have 3, 2, 4, if I'll try to sort this array, it will be 2, 3, 4, right? But the problem is 2 will come onto index number 0. However, I wanted 1. So the point is, with this problem statement where you actually want to return index, you cannot apply 2 pointer approach if the given array is not sorted. First of all, what exactly you wanted to return? I wanted to return an array. Maybe I'll take int array because I want to return 2 indices. I'm making an array of size 2. This is what I actually want to return. Now, in order to solve this question, I'm taking a map of integer, map equals to new hash map. If you don't know about this hash map, you can check out the video link that is coming onto the top of your video. Okay, now this hash map has a property, it has a key, it has a value. Now in my case, my key will be the value onto that index and my value will be the index only. I'll make a for loop int I equals to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus. I want to check, I will be checking if map contains the key target minus nums I. So that means I got it. For example, I wanted the sum as 9. I started it with 2. So I checked whether 7 is present in the map or not. So for the first time, 7 will not be present, right? Because 2 is my first element of my map. So I'm checking for 7 in my map, not for 2. Because I already have 2. I only want 7 to get 9, right? For the first time, map data in the map will not be there. So it will go into the else condition. I'll have to put, first of all, the key is representing the value at an index. So I'll put nums dot I and the second will be index, because actually at the end I want the index only, right? Now for the first time 2 came, I added this 2 into the map by the value called 2 and I was 0, okay? And when 7 came, I'm not looking for 7, I'll say 9 minus 7, so 2. So I'm start looking for, I'll say map dot contains key target is 9, nums dot I is 7. So do we have 2 inside my map? 2 has already been inserted into the map. Then what I'll say, I got my pair out 0 because I'm making the output now. Okay, so whatever is the index right now, one element is present here and one element is present at map dot get target minus nums I. So wherever the element is present, I'll be getting the value. I'll just break it. I got my output, I got my one pair, and I'll just break out of this loop. Once the for loop is over, I'll just return this out. Okay, that is the expected. Now if I'll try to run this, one change, actually I took this array by the name called result and I'm adding the data into out. So I'll have to add it into the result only, right? Now let's try to run this. It has been accepted. Now I'll try to submit this to see if it is working fine for all the cases or not. So yeah, it is working fine. So yeah, that is it for this video. Let's see you in the next video. Thank you.